Hello YouTube, this is Josh from the Unified Developers Network. Thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to be talking about cross-site scripting. What it is, what it does, how it happens, and how we can defend against it. Now first off, cross-site scripting is when somebody actually types code into like a text box on your site and that code is executed. I'm going to elaborate on that a little bit. We're just going to say we have a variable called var and it equals, and a lot of PHP developers do this, where say you want header 3 to render on your site. So you type header 3, oh, bumped a key, header 3, hello programmer. Okay, so now that you did that, we're going to echo our variable, and see how it's bolded. Now if we were to just normally echo hello programmer, it wouldn't be bold or like that at all. Now the reason this one is bold is because it was rendered with the header 3. Normally it just renders as text. Now this is a great thing when you're developing web applications where you need headers. Say that's going to be the blog's name and you need a header to have it kind of jump out at the person that's visiting the website. Now this is bad because we have code in a variable that's being executed. Now just think if somebody typed code in and it's basically your web application takes their input, stores it over here in this variable, then that variable got echoed. Then you'd have someone else's rogue code executing on your website. That is the entirety of what cross-site scripting is. Because if the HTML engine will render whatever is in this variable that is echoed to the web page, the same thing will happen with JavaScript code. Now, how do we defend against it? I'm going to undo that, and we're going to talk a little bit about how to defend against it. Basically, if the only way to defend against cross-site scripting is if we encode the characters before it hits the web page. What I mean by encode is instead of say it being like this, is if you use the basically what encoding is instead of adding this to the file and rendering this, is that we're actually going to be putting this exact thing and printing it to the web page. Oh dang it, I didn't mean to do that. We're going to be actually rendering that to the web page. I think it's easier to just show you what I mean by using the HTML entities function. You can encode and stop all cross-site scripting attacks. See? Instead of it actually rendering with header 3, it's rendering the actual code that we tried to hack with. And this isn't a very good hack because we're not even using JavaScript. So now we're going to get our hands dirty and actually use some JavaScript to do some stuff. We're going to go document.write, and what this does is it writes text to a web page. Did I do that? Let's take away the HTML entity so you can actually see it. C cross-site scripting run. Script document dot write. Oh, script. There we go. Now see, basically what it's doing is it's saying, hey, we're going to echo variable to the web page. And then after that happens, it's out of our hands, because then the HTML and JavaScript rendering engines and everything else in the browser has access to what we did. And the JavaScript rendering engine is like, hey, I found a JavaScript script tag, so we're going to look at what that wants me to do. Oh, document write, we're going to write something on the web page. Oh, okay, we're going to write that text to the web page. Okay, done. And that's basically what's happening here. Now, this could be a lot worse. It could be like an AJAX request or something like that, but we're still going to want to defend against it, so we're going to put back HTML entities. There. And just like when we did this with the H3 tags, instead of actually rendering, it just kind of aired that programmer's code to everybody and their brother. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and tell me how you liked actually seeing the code done and how things work with the MAMP server. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.